Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check Windows 11 build and TPM and make a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, open Windows Security and go straight to Device Security. You need to reach Core Isolation settings now. Make sure no pending Windows updates or driver installs are active because they can block changes. These steps prepare the system so the fix will apply cleanly and reduce reboot loops. Don't skip the restore point. Now focus on memory integrity. You toggle memory integrity off in Core Isolation and reboot immediately. This clears the main blocker. After reboot, open Device Manager and identify drivers flagged as incompatible. Uninstall or update them with manufacturer packages. Use msinfo32 to cross-check driver signing and device conflicts so you know why memory integrity failed. Once drivers are corrected, return to Core Isolation and enable memory integrity again. Then reboot to apply the virtualization-based security changes. Finish by re-enabling memory integrity in Core Isolation and rebooting, then verify the feature shows as active in Windows Security. If it still fails, update BIOS or UEFI firmware and ensure virtualization features like SVM or VTX are enabled in firmware settings. Make sure drivers and third-party security tools aren't reblocking the feature. If things go wrong, boot safe mode and remove troublesome drivers or security software. Then retry. The key tip is to isolate and remove the incompatible component before re-enabling memory integrity.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.